Hi guys, my name is Shubroto and thanks for tuning in. So in this video I will talk about the Firebolt Ninja Pro Max. So I got this from Flipkart for around 2000 rupees and this is the best price I could find everywhere. To be honest, it has a lot of good features, but we'll test them out and then find out if they're any good. In the front we can see it says 1.6 inch 41mm HD full touch smartwatch. So here we get the Firebolt branding and under that we get the Ninja Pro Max. So this is how the watch looks. Virat Kohli is their brand ambassador, so the brand is good. My friends have bought these watches and they love them, so it's time for me to test them out. It says 27 sports modes which are inbuilt, and on the right side we can see some more specifications. The same 27 sports modes, 9.5mm thin and lightweight, SpO2 monitoring, heart rate tracking, okay, and also some features over here: remote camera, multiple watch faces. So we have sleep monitoring, music controls, menstrual reminder, weather updates, smart notifications, and finally the 1.6 inch full touch display. It also says the main features, but we'll talk about it later in the video. On the left side we have some more specifications. The same 1.6 inch display is written over here. The pixel resolution is also mentioned, which is 240 x 288. It says 8 days battery life. We'll check it. And then finally we have IP68 waterproof. So all the watches are IP68 waterproof. It's good to see that they are officially rated. Anyway, let's unbox it now. So we get this user manual right after opening the box. So we'll keep it aside. And here is the watch snugged right in the box. We'll take it out. It has got a bit of weight to it, which is good. Let's keep it aside for now. Let's look further what we get inside the box. There are some documentation, of course, and the charger. This is interesting. Okay, let's look at the charger first. So it doesn't come with a regular charger that we get. So it comes like this, very teeny port which we can attach. We get those chargers that have the place where the watch sits, but this only gets these. So cost cutting, I guess, but the wire length is good compared to others. So this is the charger. Let's keep it aside. Let's look at the documentation now. So it says we are honored, and it is signed by Virat Kohli, of course. Register for warranty. Okay, we'll do that later. Follow Firebolt. This is useless. Congratulations, you have won the exclusive Boltt Play app membership. Wow, they have a membership also. We'll look into that later. So we get free 3 months Ghana subscription. That is a good thing. Okay, so we get 1 month free Z5 premium content, and that's all about it. So a lot of goodies with the watch. Anyway, let's look at the watch now. Let's see if it has any charge left in it. So unfortunately no. So we'll charge the watch and then get back to it. So this is the watch. I was about to charge it and thought of talking about the charger that we get with it. So this is the charger that we get. Yeah, so now you can see. So the thing is that if you take it a little bit near it, it just automatically attaches like the Apple MagSafe technology. It's pretty cool. The magnets are pretty strong also. So let's charge it and I will get back to it. Okay, so it has got a bit of charge now, as you can see. Let me increase the brightness. So this is the full brightness. So this is the watch. The brightness is not that great, as you can see.
So if you have watched my tag Verb Active video, the screen was way brighter than this one, so that is a bit disappointing.
Let's look at the watch faces we get with it. So we get 5 options right after booting it up. So if you go to the left side, we have all of these options like the Apple Watch gets. So we have music player, we have a heart rate monitoring. Now if we go back and go to the right side, we get the steps count. We can see more details over here by scrolling down. Then we have sleep monitoring, we have the heart rate monitoring, SpO2, exercise, weather, shutter. So this is a very cool thing with this watch. Like if you connect it with your phone and then you can use it like a remote to click pictures. Like you want to click a group picture, and you can mount your phone on a tripod and use this as a remote. So that is pretty useful and unique in this price point. After that, we have the music player, so we can change music from here after connecting it to the phone. We have different kind of activities: basketball, badminton, skipping, running, etc. And on the top we can see we have some quick toggles, the brightness control panel. We also have this vibrate on off. We have this flashlight option. We have this theater mode. So this is how it looks on the wrist.
So I hope you liked the video, and this is obviously not the full review. I will have to use the watch for a longer time to give any sort of review. So stay tuned for that, and share this video with your friends and family. And do let me know your feedbacks about this video in the comment section down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one.